I promised you a video to show you how I'm going to wire up a winch switch to the handlebar on one of these Harbor Freight Badlands winches. So try to do this really quick. So the box that comes with the winch, which really has got the receiver in it for the wireless control. In this box, you're going to have a white wire and you're going to have a yellow wire. The white wire goes to the green of the switch, and I'll put a link to the switch below. You can get this off Amazon for I think $12 or $13. So the white is going to go to the green, and the yellow is going to go to the yellow wire on here, right? So Graydon, let me see that. That son's helping me here. Graydon, go push the in button. Or sorry, hold on one second. So I'm going to hook this. Sorry. As a test, I'm hooking this to the green wire of the switch, and I'm also going to connect it to the white wire on the receiver. Okay? And this came unhooked. So green and white. So Graydon, go push the out on the switch.
Yes, sir.
So this is where I mounted the switch on the handlebar. Go ahead and press out. Press it again and hold it. Let go. And then there's the out. All right, don't press anything, bud. All right, I'm gonna switch this to the yellow wire. And I'm going to put this on the yellow wire on the box. All right, press the in. Press it again, and it goes in. And that is pretty much it. I will end up having to cut another little small hole right beside here to run this switch wire out of, just big enough for that. And other than that, that is how you wire a handlebar switch to your Harbor Freight winch. One thing I forgot to mention was on this switch to the handlebar, you got 3 wires. There's the yellow, green, and red. Green goes to the white for reverse. Yellow goes to the yellow for reverse. For in. So this is out, green is out, yellow's in on the switch. And then the red wire, you can either tie that to a switched hot whenever the key is on, or you can tie it direct to the battery. But since the battery is coming direct to the switch here, I just tied it into this top one. That way it has power the whole time. So right now the switch works in or out, and it's all kept within this box, and I'm not having to run a separate wire somewhere else, but just wanted to add that as well because I forgot that. All right, thanks.